Hi guys, I tried to cook Indian chicken curry for the first time and here's my easy recipe. I used 500 grams of chicken breast cut into cubes. I just heat some oil in a pan on medium heat and added the chicken and cook for 5 minutes, turning occasionally until sealed. Then add the onions into the pan and cook for 5 minutes and stir often. Then mix in the garlic and ginger, combine all together, and cover and simmer for about 2 minutes. Then add in the spicy curry paste, ground coriander, ground cumin, paprika, salt and pepper, and stir and cook for a few minutes. And then add in the tomato puree and coconut milk. Stir to combine all the ingredients and simmer for 5 minutes. To thicken the curry, I mix in corn flour slurry. This is optional according to your preference. And boil for a few minutes, then turn off the heat and add in the spinach. To add more flavor, I added fresh coriander. You will surely love and enjoy it with white rice. Follow for more!